Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve leetcode problem 136 in an array. If you are new here, do not forget to like and subscribe. So, in this problem, we are going to solve a single number problem. So, this problem itself states that we want to find the single number which is not repeated twice. So, in this given array, 2, 2, 1. So 2 2 are twice. So we will ignore this and will print the single number what they mentioned in the lead code problem. And again in the second examples also, see you will check every element whether it is in twice, 1 have twice and 2 is also have twice. Only the single number is 4. So you are returning the 4. So this is a simple problem you can able to solve using an optimal approach. What I am able to say, you're just using an XOR. Okay, you are just using XOR to solve this problem. So how do you going to solve this problem means, um see, XOR operation you already know the basic things what I explained in a previous video. Like if you get 1 1, you will always end up the output 0. If you get input as zeros, then you will also get a 0 itself. If you get any original number plus different 0, you will always get an 1. If you get 0 1, you always 1. And if you want to take a more example like a 2 0, it will put an 2. Oh, this is how the XOR will work. Okay, so how do you want to implement this XOR into the problem what I mentioned here means, you just going to um, put an XOR through the every element using an iteration. You will put every array, the internally XOR will do the every operation and all thing. See, you will just take an XOR, you're going to put entire array into the XOR. So you are thinking why it is working, why it is giving an unique element without a twice element, because the twice element will get cancelled, then you will get the single element. So let's start coding this problem. It's quite easy. I will show you in lead code how to solve this problem. Yeah, let's code this problem in a lead code. So the lead code problem state 136 problem single number. So given a non-empty array of integers comes, every element appears twice. They only mentioning, see, every element appears twice except for the one. So find that one single one. So you must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity. What do you mean linear means big of one? You want to run time complexity and use only the constant extra space. The time complexity should be in the big of one and the space complexity should be in the big of one. They mention it like that. So 2 2 1, the 2 is twicely repeated and 1 is a single one. You want to return that number. So like this itself, 4 1 2 1 2. So there is 4 is not repeated twice, so it should be returned. If it is a single element, they will return that element itself. So I'm what I mentioned, you will take an XOR and initialize it to the 0, and you will take an length of the array, which is nums dot length in a Java. So you're going to iterate through the every element using a for loop. So then you are going to take an XOR operation. This is a symbol for doing XOR. This means, wait, I will show you. So this is quite similar to the wait, see. So XOR equals to XOR. This is an XOR symbol and nums I. Rather than this, I'm taking I'm using this symbol. Okay, you can able to write code like this also, or this also. That's fine. It worked totally fine. So then you are going to return that XOR only. Then you will get the answer. Let's see whether it is working perfectly or not. Yeah, it's working perfectly, guys. Please subscribe and share and like also. Thank you.